To access MSUFCU's Card Updater and update cards across multiple merchants, start by logging into your MSUFCU mobile app, then tap the menu icon from the top left of the screen and choose the lab. On the lab page, choose Card Updater by selecting the Start button. Once in Card Updater, choose the card you want to use when updating merchants by clicking the right or left arrows until you see the card you want to use. Once you choose your card, scroll down and select the Continue button. Next, the merchant screen will load. Choose the merchants that will be updated with the new card information. Multiple merchants can be selected at one time. For security purposes, before updating, you must enter the 3-digit CVV code on the back of the card. Credit cards which use CVV key will need to reference the CVV2 code in the mobile app. The selected merchants will be listed. Update one merchant at a time by entering the requested information in the available field. Select the Submit button after filling in your credentials. If a merchant sends a verification code, it will be sent to the email or phone number used to access the merchant account. Once the merchant is successfully updated, you will see a message stating that no further action is required and can move on to update the remaining merchants. To add the selected card to any additional merchants, select the More Sites button from the top of the page. Once you have completed all of your card updates, select the Back button at the top of the screen to return to the main mobile app experience.